Take a ride in the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun, and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, starter type, motor generator, rear fog light. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.